Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. The next recipe in the Instant Pot series is Spinach Dal or Lentil-Spinach curry. I have used red lentil for this spinach curry. It is popularly called in India as Dal Palak. This is a comforting lentil soup. For an extra nutrition, I have added spinach in it. Making this in the Instant Pot is a snap. Enjoy it with hot steamed rice or with naans or rotis. This is a vegan and gluten-free recipe. I made this lentil spinach curry with the rice in a pot and pot method. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes of your time to make this yummy and healthy spinach dal curry. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the video description below for the detailed ingredients. Select saute mode in an instant pot. Let it heat up for 2 minutes. By the time, wash and rinse the dal and set aside. Add oil or ghee. Personally, I like to add homemade ghee. You will love the aroma of ghee in this lentil spinach curry. Check the link in the description for homemade ghee in Instant Pot. Once it's hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add Asafoetida and dry coriander seeds. Saute it for a few seconds, then add curry leaves. Adding coriander seeds and curry leaves are optional. It's just to enhance the flavor. Add green chilli, ginger, garlic. Saute till the garlic starts turning golden brown in color. Add onions. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Add salt. Mix it well. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well and let it cook for a minute. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder or paprika. Then add dal and chopped spinach. Adjust the spice level to taste. You may add more green chilies or red chili powder to spice it up. Saute it for a minute. Add water and give a quick stir. I have given the recipe link for how to make a rice in an instant pot in the description below. Place the tall trivet inside the pot. Add rice, salt and water to the stainless steel pot and place it over the trivet. Close the instant pot with pressure valve to ceiling. Cancel the saute mode. Select the manual or pressure cook high for 10 minutes. Either you can do natural release or allow 5 minutes of natural release and then release the remaining pressure manually. Open the lid carefully. The rice is perfectly done. Carefully take out the rice bowl and the trivet. Let's check the dal. Wow, it cooked perfectly. Mix the lentils, add more water to bring the lentil to desired consistency. Dal will thicken as it cools. Lentil spinach or dal palak is ready with hot steamed rice. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section. If you have any questions or opinions, post it in comment section. I will respond to it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Bye.